Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay my loves, we're going to do another embellishment for the Easter series. I love these embellishments, and I'm going to show you how to create. They're so adorable, so sweet, so beautiful. You see these are little adorable cupcake liner embellishments. I'm going to show you how to make these in no time. So sweet to use for any kind of Easter crafting gift, or any crafting project. It's just really sweet. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to create these. Now what you're going to need are going to be a few things that you probably already have at home. Obviously we're going to use some cupcake liners. You know how much I love my cupcake liners. I have this ribbon that I bought at AC Moore. I love this ribbon so much. It has little shapes of birds. I don't know if you can see there, but if you can see there, you have like little chickies around the ribbon. I just love this ribbon. And I didn't find any more. I only was able to get one of these ribbons. I was not able to see any more when I went to AC Moore. I don't know. I haven't come across any more of this kind of ribbon. I really wish that I was able to pick up a few of them because I really love it. But anyway, I got that. I also am going to be using these little tiny birds or chicks that I also was able to get from my mom. Now, a lot of you guys in Instagram asked me, where did I get these little chickies? You guys asked, was this like a die or is it a sticker? And actually what this is actually a little dimensional little bird that comes attached to a gift bag. My mom had a few of her friends, and she is a home care taker, so she wanted to do a few Easter gift bags for a few of her patients, and I was able to actually grab a few of these little birdies or chickies that came attached to the gift bag. So what I did was I kind of pulled them out from the gift bag. They still had the actual design on the gift bag. Like, it didn't damage the gift bag. It just kind of gave like the gift bag a little bit of dimension. And so I thought, I saw the gift bag and I really liked it, and I went and I purchased one gift bag for myself. And then I realized that they had these little dimensional little birdies or chickies. And so I told her, do you mind if I pull some of these little chickies out of your gift bag? And she was okay with it. So I was able to pull basically all of them from the gift bags that she purchased. So that's how I got this little cuteness going on right here. Okay. And then the other thing that I got today at Michael's, I'm super excited about this purchase. I have not been so excited in a while. When I go to Michael's, I don't know about you guys, but there's a lot of stuff that are new in Michael's, but nothing that's really thrilling me. Nothing that's really giving me like that fantastic, vibe of me wanting to get something. I also saw that they had the new Martha Stewart line, and I don't want to sound like negative, but I just don't like anything from Martha Stewart's line. To me, it feels like she actually just have all the original stuff that Michael's sell and just put her name on it. It doesn't feel like a Martha Stewart embellishments or crafting things. I don't know. I don't know. I may be a little bit harsh, but it's not. I don't like any of it. Any of the stuff that she has, I mean, don't get me wrong, they're really nice, awesome crafting stuff that you can do with all her lines, but I'm not going crazy out buying anything because it doesn't feel like a Martha Stewart collection to me. It feels more like a Michael's, and it just has Martha Stewart name on it. I don't know. It just doesn't feel right to me. Okay, anyway, but I found these flowers today and I was crazy over them. I have Oh my God, I'm so obsessed with these flowers. They're absolutely gorgeous, beautiful. I mean, look how fantastic these flowers are. The only bad side about this is that it costs $7, which I believe that's a little too much. I think that's pretty pricey. But if you use a coupon, you will find yourself getting this a little bit cheaper. Definitely is worth it. I would absolutely recommend anybody who goes to Michael to pick up at least one of these because you're not going to regret it. These flowers are amazing. They are, look at them. They're so, so, so beautiful. And you can use these for anything. I'm thinking of buying another one of these for Mother's Day project. I just love them. Love them. Okay, so let's get started because, you know, why not? Let me put you closer to me. So what we're going to do is, we're going to put these babies together. I also have here these little mini doilies that I get when I go thrift shopping. I like to go to the kitchen section and see, you know, vintage tablecloths or vintage table mats, just anything that's a little vintage. I love picking up. So I usually come across these little tiny tablecloths that are like doilies like this, and I like to just pour these apart and keep them so when I need them for this kind of project. So that's why I have these little doilies here. Okay, take your cupcake liner, fold it in half. This is going to be such a simple video and easy. Okay, very simple and easy and quick. There you go. You're going to take your little mini doily, which I have here, and you're going to hot glue it to the center of your cupcake liner. My hot glue is here. I'm going to add a dab in the middle, and I'm just going to add a dab in the all corners of my little mini doily. It's going to go right in the center, and you should get something like this. See that? Perfect. Now you're going to take your flower, which I have here, your Michael's flower. You're going to take one. You're going to add hot glue to the back of it, a little dab of hot glue, and you're going to add it to the little corner of your doily, whichever corner you want. I prefer adding it to this little corner on my left hand side, just like that. You're going to take your little die cut and you're going to actually add it right next to your little flower. Put a little bit of hot glue in the back. Right there, just like so. Okay, you should get something like this. Look how pretty that looks already. Now we're gonna finish it off by using our ribbon. I already pre-cut the size of ribbon that I want to use and add it to my embellishment. I want to actually do like a little flag shape, so I'm going to basically fold this in half, take my scissors, and I'm going to chop a little piece off so I can get that little flag shape. Gonna do the same thing on this side. See? By doing that, you get that little flag shape. Then I'm going to hot glue these two together, just like so, one on top of each other, giving them a little angle like that. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue, just a dot of hot glue. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add this, and I'm going to tuck this in the back, okay, of my little bird. Now I think this is a little too long, so let's chop this off a little bit. You might have to add more glue to it because remember we added hot glue, So you might have to add more glue. So I'm gonna add a little bit more glue to that because I think it was a little too long. So we're gonna add a little bit of hot glue. That's more of a better shape and a better size for it. And what you're gonna do is you're going to add your little flag and you're gonna tuck it in the back of your little chick, back here. And you're gonna get that really cute little, see how cute that looks? That cute little look to your embellishment. So what we're gonna do is let's hot glue the back of this ribbon and we're going to tuck it in to your little birdie or your little chickie. And then you're gonna use either a scissor or something pointy so that you can kind of hold it in place so that it can really secure well. And that's basically it, guys. And that is how you're going to create this super adorable little embellishment. Now you see how cute this embellishment turned out? Look how cute these are. It's so simple too. I just love how easy and simple it is to create it. You see that? How cute is that? I absolutely love it. How cute did that turn out? It's so simple, right? In no time. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, guys. Let me know what you think about these adorable embellishments. Make sure you give me thumbs up. Make sure you let me know at the bottom of this video. If you want to see more pictures of this beautiful little embellishment, stop by my Instagram account. You'll see tons of pictures of what I've been doing, and you get more ideas, obviously, if you check out my Instagram. Okay, honeys? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very short, right? Very, very short. Okay, loves, I will see you on my next video. Have a fantastic weekend. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you soon. Bye.